Hey, what's up everybody? It's near New Year now and I forgot to buy some fireworks, so I need to do my own. This is what we're going to blow up today. Capacitor, resistor, a MOV, another resistor, this is 4 ohms, a light bulb, a Christmas light bulb, and another resistor, and a failed can crush. Let's see if we can crush this thing, and maybe something else. So yes, let's begin. We have some dangerous voltage now. No, we don't got anything. US voltage. What do we go for first? Let's begin with this resistor. So yes, this is a 1.2 ohm resistor out of a old TV. This will be very interesting. Remove these things here. Put the resistor like this. No, we don't use that one. So yes, let's have it something like this. And the cat crush. So I just put on this little insulator there. So now I'm gonna pull the trigger. I think that's a good voltage here. We got something around 180 amps going through it. And how many watts is that? No, it doesn't say how many watts it is, but certainly not for how many watts that will be. More than 20 kilowatts. Nothing happened. I wonder why nothing happened with it. No. Yeah, so it was just a slightly bit warm, so I just think it's the wire inside just blew off. Let's try this resistor instead. I did hear some crackling noise, and it has pulled some current as well. Got less voltage and it smokes a bit. Yes. It's warm, as it should be. Yes. But not as successful as I thought it would be. I just thought it would explode, but it didn't. Bad fireworks. Now we got this precision resistor. This is 10 ohms and another 10 ohm resistor, so it's 20 ohms connected in series. And I need to crank up the voltage a bit because that resistor just pulled everything, almost everything. So yes, let's have a look. Voltage meter as well, or voltmeter. Yes, let's pop it. I don't think resistors are so funny. I can definitely see that there's some blown tracks there. And it didn't pull almost anything. Just blow up. Now we got this Christmas light. It's 30 volts. Let's put 180 volts to it. Nothing happened. Damn it. Yes, I'd like to move it. Yes, got a MOV there. 150 volt MOV. So I need to have a bit more voltage. If you wonder what happened with this meter, I actually accidentally dropped it and the battery did get off the contacts inside it, so I need to open it up and put the battery back. It's a bit annoying, you have to take all the multimeter apart to get the battery in. I think that's a good voltage, so let's pop it. That's what I call fireworks. Let's have another test. But it didn't put so much current. The voltage has just dropped by like 20 volts. So let's test another one. So, time for another move. It's interesting. I'll turn the light off. That's amazing. Look at that. The wire actually popped off. Look at that. Shall I test another one? So you can see it pulled a lot more current than the other one. The explosion was more spectacular. So let's see how this one is. So these moves are pretty amazing. Next will be this capacitor. Yeah, that looks good. 200 volts. I'll turn off the light again. Somebody forgot to plug it in. I always unplug the wire from the connector for safety. That was interesting. Pull the 40 volts out of the capacitor. And my insulator is a bit messed up. It doesn't smell so bad. It doesn't create so much smoke. That's a good thing about these MOFs. Look at that. It's copper plated. Looks great, doesn't it? So in there we got a 1000 microfarad 25 volt capacitor. I'm going to dump 160 volts to it. Holy crap. The bang was so loud, so I thought that my glass jar had exploded. This was a real firecracker. Oh, it is actually cracked. What the hell? I didn't have any air protection, so this bang was absolutely loud. I hope my neighbors aren't so mad. Okay, that's a part of the capacitor. Here's the other part of it. So it didn't went off like a grenade. Oh, the floor is colored glass. Holy shit, look at it. It was like this, I thought that the glass jar hadn't exploded, but yes, it's mostly intact, that's good. Holy shit. But the door is full of black stuff. Look at that. Good that I can remove them. That was a huge explosion. There are bits of glass everywhere. Bits of capacitor. Look at that. Let's do the can crush. So Oh, the Fontana 101 didn't survive this. The dumpster with that one. That's my multimeter. Yes, that was a large bang. My plate here, protection plate, is full of shattered glass. It's everywhere. I have popped capacitor in the jar previously, but it had survived all the times. But not this time. As I forgot to show the voltage for that capacitor, I haven't charged it up or discharged it or anything. 145 volts. It was 160 volts. So that capacitor was a real grenade. So yes, can crush. Last one. Let's see what happens. I don't want to put more current into that capacitor. I don't want to damage it. So let's do that voltage on that thing in less than a second. I don't want to hold the button in this time. There's 2 pulses. And nothing happened. Oh, forgot to plug it in. So let's try it out. The voltage dropped to 22 volts. The coil is hot. But no, nothing is crushed. Nothing happened. So it's still a can't crush. So it was pretty interesting. And sadly I popped my glass jar. It's in the dumpster or trash bin. So yes, look at that. So, but it was pretty interesting and there was a lot of booms and cracks. Like it would be on New Year, as you know. Thanks for watching.